Hi, I'm Megan Hoffman, a technology integration specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Thank you for taking time today to learn about some basic features of Google Drive. In this video, I will focus on the Plus New button in Google Drive. This is where you can create new folders, new documents, and upload documents from your computer to your Google Drive. Click once on the Plus New button to see the drop-down menu. The first option is New Folder. When you click on New Folder, a dialog box will prompt you to name your folder. Click Create to finish this process. In the next section of the drop-down menu are File Upload and Folder Upload. Both of these work in the same manner. To upload a file that is saved to your computer's hard drive or the server, select File Upload. Then you can either single-click the file and click the Open button, or you can double-click the file you would like to upload to begin the upload process automatically. The upload folder process is the same, except the folder and all of its contents will be uploaded to your Google Drive. The third section of the drop-down menu found under the Plus New button provides options for creating new documents. You can create new Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, or Google Forms by simply clicking on the one you want. If you want to create a document that isn't listed, click on the More option. Here you will get another drop-down menu with options including Google Drawings, Google My Maps, Google Sites, Google Jamboard, and any other apps you have connected to your Google Drive. All of these options for creating and uploading documents are available when you are inside one of your folders in your Google Drive. Creating your documents within the folder that you want to keep them is a way to help with organization of all of your documents. To see other helpful videos from the SWWC Service Cooperative's Tech Integration Team, you can find and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search for SWWC Tech Integration on YouTube. Thank you again for your time today to learn more about Google Drive.